About 2,000 persons from Rumo Lumini community for Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State go benefit from the ongoing one-day free medical outreach where the Nigerian Navy Ship Pathfinder for Port Harcourt organize. The Admiral Superintendent Naval Shipyard Limited, Rear Admiral Namale Danton, will represent the commander, contact said the Navy dey committed to serving and helping members of the host communities. A contact said the Navy go take care of old and young and go refer to higher hospitals if the need arise during the one-day program.
Because we have been here for quite some time, and I believe that if you look at it, we hardly make any news for any negative reasons. So the community has been good, and that is why we see it necessary from time to time to do such things, to also connect with them. Because like every community, young ones grow, they leave the community. So it is good that we keep connecting with them, so that as the older ones grow, they leave, they go to other places to become whatever they want to become, they remember that at least once during their time, when they were growing up in the community, the Navy reached them. The target population is every citizen of this country that lives within this community, old, young, and old. Because we are talking about public health issues, we are talking about dental issues, we are talking about eye issues. Of course, small children who have eyes, it is the elder ones, and so many ranges of illnesses and diseases and all.
Our target is as high as 2,000 because this is going to take place from this morning to the evening time. It's about 6 o'clock. So even those who are not here right now, we will wait for them. Our medical experts are all here in all fields and disciplines. So we are here going to wait for them till 6 o'clock. Even those who have gone to farms and gone to markets, we are going to wait for them. Our target is about 2,000. And we have all it takes to take care of this number. We have done that in Opobo town. This is Rumo Lumini Kingdom. We are going to extend it to other communities. The Chief of Naval Staff have directed us to do so. So it's not a one-off thing. The community has been very wonderful. We have had very cordial relationship with them for a very long time, and we have continued to do that. So we say they continue to support us in what we do. Apart from the medical rhapsody we are offering to them, we also are here for their security, their safety, including their assets.
The representative of Nkpor Kingdom, Chief Chikwe Iyenwewo, contact say,
me, I have taken my own treatment. You see my medicine here, because I am here to partake. And the whole members of Rumo Lumini Kingdom that came here, both non-indigenous, we are free, we are all one. So it is a profit, a benefit to us.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.